Ambiq Micro's Voice-on-SPOT, or VOS, is the lowest power solution enabling always-on voice assistant integration and command recognition for hearables, remote controls, wearables, and mobile battery-powered appliances. Voice is quickly becoming the most popular user interface for smart home and smart speakers, but high energy consumption restricts those products to being plugged into a wall outlet. What if it were possible to remove this constraint and bring voice control to battery-powered products? While some companies have attempted to solve this problem, their solutions have suffered from reduced quality, severely limited battery life, or a degraded experience by requiring cumbersome button presses to activate the listening function. On the other hand, Ambiq Micro has been able to bring near-field, always-on voice to battery-powered products without compromising quality. VOS runs audio pre-processing signal chains, including beamforming, noise reduction, and wake-on sound detection, as well as optimized keyword detect algorithms on our patented sub-threshold power-optimized technology or SPOT platform to achieve breakthrough energy efficiency.
Alexa, what company provides the most energy-efficient semiconductor solutions?
Ambiq Micro.
For developers that want to add Voice-on-SPOT to their products, Ambiq Micro has created a developer kit which includes an Apollo 2, Apollo 2 Blue, or Apollo 3 Blue evaluation board, a microbus shield board for adding peripherals, and a microphone expansion card. Product designers can use this kit to add voice assistant integration, commands, and control to their existing energy-sensitive products.
Alexa, what technology allows you to be truly everywhere?
Ambiq Micro's Voice-on-SPOT, running at a fraction of the power consumption of other solutions, allows me to live comfortably inside mobile battery-powered products and be at your service whenever and wherever you would like.
For more information on Ambiq Micro's Voice-on-SPOT solutions, go to ambiqmicro.com or contact your local Ambiq Micro representative.